This is Jerome Joseph, the brand guy. A few weeks ago, I was talking to an employee of a global MNC, and he was sharing experience when it comes to one of the leaders in his organization. He goes, Jerome, my brand stands for passion, but the leader has no passion. He is nothing, he's not aligned to what the brand stands for. And that's a problem that I notice in many organizations that I work with. They have great brand values, they have this great brand vision, a great brand purpose, but they have leaders who are unable to walk the talk. They have leaders who are unable to drive the brand from within because the leaders, either number one, don't know the brand, number two, don't believe in the brand. So I'm here in Thailand working with an organization who believes that the brand has to start from the top. It's got to start from your leaders. I'm running a program called the Brand Leadership Mindset, where my purpose is to go in and create branded leaders. So if you're an organization and you have a very clear essence of what your brand stands for, it is very important that this needs to be driven from the top, from the very top. Every single leader, every single manager needs to be leading the brand. They need to drive the brand through their leadership, making sure that they walk the talk and are able to inspire their people to also be aligned and to drive the brand themselves. So my name is Jerome Joseph. When it comes to brand leadership, it is very important that you start from the top.